so wonderful. It's been such a long time.
So good to be back.
Oh, I know. It's just lovely. What you been up to?
Public transportation.
Look, who's that fella out there?
Oh, hi. So good to see you.
Hi, it's just lovely. It's been a long time for you too, I think.
Yeah.
Are you my grandson? Okay. Is that my grandson?
I don't think so,
You don't
Glenda.
think so? Is your grandson, does he ride public transportation? I can't remember. It's been so long.
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
So tell me, what's new with you?
Oh, Glenda, you know, I've been traveling the world, riding around in my moped.
Oh, moped.
You know,
that's crazy.
Just
crazy.
I mean, a little crazy, a little bit, if you know what I mean.
It's crazy.
That's crazy. But, I've been just traveling, just seeing what's going on out there, you know.
Hey, Glenda, do you remember that day when we went on vacation?
Oh, it was so long
Cheers to
ago.
that.
Cheers.
And I believe
Cheers.
it was at
Oh, now tell me.
ELC. Oh.
I can't, my memory is just failing me. My memory's going so bad, I can't quite remember. Did we go on vacation there once? Or twice?
I don't know. All I remember is I went caribou hunting. It was crazy.
I remember one time
Crazy.
you were not crazy. And, you know, I don't know what happened to that, so.
I'm not sure.
Oh.
So good to see you again.
Really, Glenda, it's been far too long.
Oh, I see you have a little pin
Oh,
here.
you do like my pen.
Oh, it's very nice.
Oh, look
Little
at that.
pin.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
How wonderful.
Well, now enough about me, Glenda. Tell me about you. What you been up to? Huh?
Well, I've been really into my new walking shoes.
Oh, walking. Now do tell me about that.
They have a nice extra support.
Oh, well, you were looking a little, like you need some support, Glenda, if you know what I mean.
So how is your biking system?
Well, you know, it's really just I sit there and it does the work for me. My grandchildren tell me that it's been hard to take away my license,
Okay.
which I don't really want to talk about.
That's okay. Let's not talk about it. Everything's
cheers
cheery.
to that. Cheers to that.
Everything's cheery.
Cheers to that, Glenda.
Well, so
Listen,
good to see you again.
Listen, I need to talk to you about something that I think is just crazy. It's just crazy.
Crazy.
It's just crazy.
Crazy.
Dang it, Glenda, keep it down in there. I'm eating my peanut butter and jelly, dang it.
Oh, well, I thought you told Roger to stay in the kitchen.
We better hush it up now.
Oh, no, you just be quiet. You don't tell old man Rivers in there that he's got some issues.
Well, so good to see you again. Enjoy your crazy,
we really,
crazy evening.
We've been thinking about you. We've been just thinking all about you. Who are you again?
We miss you.
Who's it?
Have a wonderful night.
You're crazy.